Start of the day, waking up 7 o'clock. Yeah. That was only what, like 6 hours sleep probably.
Oh, probably less than 6 hours.
I keep waking up in the middle of the night, eh?
Yeah.
Like, you like straight up smacked me with your elbow multiple times. I didn't tell you this, like, as we woke up, I was like, nah, I'm not going to see the tone as like a negative tone. But I'm telling you now, like, you smacked me a few times, and like, you kind of took up a lot of space in the bed, eh?
Oh, sorry about that.
Yeah.
You're a big person.
True. Fair enough.
But yeah, after that we just caught a flight from Auckland to Christchurch. We landed at around, what, 11:30 a.m. And yeah, we got your car, bought some food. Don't really know what kind of food lasts a few days, so we just got like peanut butter bread, water.
We can buy more when we get there.
Yeah, we can just get more food, like fast food or something. But
I honestly don't care. It's only like 4 days or something, you know?
Yeah, that's fine. But yeah, now we're on our way to Dunedin.
Yeah.
It's a 5-hour drive from Christchurch to Dunedin. We are, what, half an hour away probably now?
Yeah, I would say probably. Nah, if there's another 100 zone, we'll get there in like 20 minutes.
Alright, yeah. So in Dunedin, there's not really much to see.
Nah.
But right.
Kia ora.
Nice. But right now, there's O Week, orientation week for the university.
Yep.
And O Week is basically just all the students getting together.
They're partying. They're all just partying for a week straight.
Massive.
And that shit is just wild.
Wild as. Like, basically, Dunedin's just full of students. Just a student city, basically.
Yeah, I think my mate's been on a 5-day bender. He's been there the whole time. And every day he like gets worse. Like, first it was like, oh bro, like I nearly got into a fight. And then it was like, oh, I'm getting into a fight. And like, and then it was like, I got surrounded by 5 guys and I got beat the shit out of. And then like, he fell off his bike and broke his elbow again.
Oh,
like, yeah, all good, nice.
Again.
Yeah, for the 4th time.
Oh.
The 3rd time this in the space of what, 4 months? I'm like, yeah. Oh, yeah, here we go, another 100. We'll get there in 20 minutes.
Alright, 20 minutes, here we go. Alright, see you later.
Right.
So it is it is 8 p.m. the next day, and we've made our way, I think, around 75% to Milford Sounds now.
Yeah,
from Dunedin.
Probably like 60%.
Yes, something like that.
Yeah.
And yeah, so last night a lot of stuff happened in Dunedin. Not really gonna show you, because a lot of it was probably against the law.
Yeah.
But yeah.
Fucking wild, eh?
Things happened.
Yeah. Shit happened.
Oh man. It was hectic. It was literally hectic.
Basically, last night, shit went down. As soon as we got to Dunedin, to Mark's place, it was like, right, let's go. So we just went to town and like we parked up and just sculled like, I sculled 2 full kingfishers. That's 500 mils, so I sculled a litre within 10 minutes. And like, I nearly vomited, but I didn't. I fucking like held that shit back. But because of that, I don't remember most of the travelling, like for the first half of that, like walking around the city. But like, there was so much shit went on, and like we had so many confrontations as well. Yeah. But like, I mean, we were fine.
We almost got into a fight with like 5 people. Yeah. It was like 3v5. But
we would have been all good. Yeah, apparently they were nerds anyway.
Yeah, all good. But yeah, this morning we got up and after looking around in the city centre, we went to the world's steepest street. That was pretty fun.
Baldwin Street, I think.
Yeah, Baldwin Street. Yeah. There we go. That was interesting.
That was pretty mean actually.
Yeah. Monty didn't drive his car off of it.
Nah. meet that guy that goes up there, and then like everyone has to go, oh shit, he doesn't actually live up here, he's turning around.
Yeah, we saw quite a few tourists doing that. Yeah, we didn't do it. And now we're just on our way to Milford Sounds, and the views are so scenic. And tonight we'll just be camping somewhere.
Go to bed early.
Yeah, go to bed early, wake up early, and
catch this ferry.
Catch the ferries in Milford Sound.
And then we have to make it back to Queenstown by 1 o'clock to pick up our friend Ruben.
This is us right here. Yep. Can't see anything else. It's a good place to set up a tent though. Currently on our way to Milford Sounds, and it's pouring down, so we aren't going very fast. And we've had quite a few buses and big vans in front of us, so we've been going quite slow. But Google Maps says that we'll be there at 11:20, and our ferry is at 11:30. So we have 10 minutes to park the car, get everything we need, get the tickets, and get on the ferry. So hopefully we'll be able to do that.
Yeah.